Hi everyone, my name is Julian Albion, and today is June 6, 2020. I will be discussing the reproductive system development for both male and female. And so, the endocrine system will secrete the hormones in blood and the body fluids. Hormones that provide feedback to the brain to affect the neuroprocessing. The hypothalamus controls both pituitary and endocrine glands. For both male and female, the hypothalamus pituitary gonadal axis is the hormone that controls the release of sex hormones. So for both, the system is activated by GnRH, which is short for gonadotropin releasing hormone, which this will release the hormone that is responsible for follicle stimulating hormone, which is also known as FSH, and luteinizing hormone, which is also known as LH for the anterior pituitary. These hormones will play an important role in controlling reproduction. For males that go through puberty, the hypothalamus would release FSH and LH to go into the male systems. FSH will enter the testes and stimulate Sertoli cells to being spermatogenesis, which is sperm production. So the LH, the luteinizing hormone, will stimulate the interstitial cells of Leydig to release testosterone into the testes and the blood. Testosterone is the hormone that is responsible for stimulating sperm production as well as the secondary sex characteristics. For example, these include Adam's apple growth, facial hair, and chest hair. When the levels of testosterone are too high, a negative feedback loop will occur. A negative feedback loop is when a reaction that causes a decrease in function. Inhibin will then be released because of the Sertoli cells, and this will release the GnRH and FSH in order to slow down the sperm production. For females, they're similar to males. The anterior pituitary hormones causes the release of FSH and LH, as well as estrogen and progesterone, are released from developing follicles. Estrogen is responsible for the developing of the sex characteristics in females, which include breast development, growth of pubic and armpit hair, body changes, which include the widening of hips. These hormones also help with endometrial growth, ovulation, and calcium absorption. Progesterone is produced by the ovaries, the placenta, which is during pregnancy, and the adrenal glands. This helps your body for conception, for pregnancy, and to help you regulate menstrual cycle. In females, the FSH will stimulate the development of the ova, which then develops a structure called follicles. These follicles produce a hormone called inhibin, just like that male reproductive system. This hormone inhibin will inhibit FSH production. LH will also help develop the ova. Estradiol and progesterone hormones will prepare the body for pregnancy and regulates the menstrual cycle. So as you can see, both male and female reproduction can be similar, and both can be different. But sometimes, instead of using a negative feedback loop, like when you're having a baby, the female reproduction, in order for that birth, will stimulate a positive feedback loop in order for the baby to be born. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed my presentation on the reproductive system of both male and female. Thank you.